Good morning, guys. Welcome back to today's vlog. So, I'm starting off with my bedroom. I need to straighten up right now because my room is needing a lot of attention. The baby is right here sleeping, so I don't want to make too much noise. So, I'm just going to tidy up my room. I have some clothes that needs to be folded and put away. I have a situation going on my dresser over there. I have a situation going on over here. The bed is a situation. It's just a whole lot of situations going on. So if this is something that you will be interested in, a motivation to clean up your room, a space in your home that needs some attention, some loving, so stay right tuned to continue to watch this video. All right, guys, so I have finished cleaning up my room. There are some areas in my room where, you know, we have a draft over here by our window. So I put one of the very big blankets that we have to just like, you know, cover the areas where I felt the draft coming out of until we have someone come in to help us, you know, patch that. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. This was a quick pick up my room, you know, just want to refresh. I dusted some, I wiped some places down, I swept the floor. I didn't vacuum because I don't want to wake him up. And then, so you will see that my little boy is laying on, I put his sister's blanket in his bassinet because the blanket, even though it's pink and it has elephants in it, it's really, really soft, guys. Oh my gosh, if I can find this blanket in like any other color, I would go for it. I don't know, something about elephants. I love elephants. But it's so, so soft. And yes, he's laying on it and it doesn't matter as long as it, you know, he's comfortable. So yeah, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.